FormHandler by default sends the response in a format that you can potentially see or download. So if it's an HTML, for instance, by default, you see the output. If it's JSON, by default, you see the output. If it's in, let's say, CSV, then that was single V, CSV, it by default downloads the output. Same with XLSX. In this case, it gets downloaded. Now, in all of these cases, the file name is something that it defaults to based on the URL and is not something that you can control unless you explicitly provide an underscore download parameter. So if I said format is equal to XLSX and underscore download equals, let's say, songs.xlsx, that is going to create a songs.xlsx file and then download it. Or I could say format is CSV and underscore download equals, let's say, songsdb.csv. That is going to create a songsdb.csv as a download. You can apply this to a JSON file as well. You can say and underscore download equals songs.json, and that will download the songs data as a JSON file called songs.json. In other words, the underscore download parameter forces a download irrespective of what the format is and provides an explicit file name that you can use in the application. These are linkable. So in your application, if you want to create a download for a particular user, then you can use this as a specific file name. What's better is that the download is also controllable with the filters. So if you say, I only want the data for, let's say, country is equal to US, and therefore I want the underscore download file name to be ussongs.csv. That is something that you can create. This will download a ussongs.csv, which is a file that will only contain the data for country is equal to US. As you can see here, it only has data for country is equal to US. All of the filters, all of the sorts, group bys, etc. will apply even to the downloads, which allows you to have a fairly flexible download structure and create an application where the user can filter down the data and download it to their system.